In this video, we'll introduce the basic flow of our project Formula RL. Upon opening the application, you will be prompted this intro screen, and you have two buttons to select models for the different players. Player 1 will be yourself, which will have a camera following you all around throughout the entire game, and player 2 will be your opponent. First thing we want to do will be choose a model for each player. You just click the button, right? Click on player 1 button, and you will be prompted with a window to choose an ONX file. As you can see, we have filtered out all the model files. Here we provide a few model files that has been pre-trained, and from top to bottom, they correspond to a sort of more and more advanced level of the model. Up on the top, we have the sort of weakest newbie, and bottom we have pro. So I'm just going to select pro for myself, and I'm going to play against a newbie model. Okay, so with model selected, now you need to select the map, and we have two maps built into this game. One of them is called Mountaintop, and the other one is kind of experimental. It's called Spiral City. I'm just going to go with Mountaintop for the purpose of this demonstration. Okay, so you can see that the model will be loaded, and the goal of the game is to pass all the checkpoints before your opponent do, of course. And at the top of the screen, you can see a little banner that shows your progress, also your opponent's progress. And only last 4 to go. Right, so we have collected all the checkpoints, and our agent has won the game. So you will be prompted to a you won the game screen. Okay, so if I click menu, I can go back to this main menu, of course. And in this case, I'm going to test being what it feels like to be sort of the losing agent. Okay, so for myself, at this time I'm choosing newbie, and for player 2, I'll be choosing pro. Okay, and still gonna go with Mountaintop just because the Spiral City map is kind of more convoluted, and the agents are not handling the map too well. The opponent is much more proficient than us. Notice that there's a timeout mechanism for the game. If the agent is not able to complete all the checkpoints, so to collect all the checkpoints of the map within 2 minutes, the game will be terminated, and in that case, we say that both agents lost. So once your opponent collects all the objective, the timeouts for you, and it says you lost.